Hello students, we had learnt about the communication thing and now today I am going to tell you about types of communication. Basically the communication is of three types: formal and informal, oral and written, verbal and non-verbal communication. Now what is the difference between these three? Formal and informal. Formal communication is basically black and white. That means it is written and you have a proof of writing. It is basically in a written form. Informal is just I am talking to you and you are listening. So no proof, you don't have any proof of it. So that is informal type of communication. Now we come to the next one is the oral and written. It is something the same thing. Oral means just a speech. You are speaking, you don't have a proof. I am speaking, I don't have a proof. And you are listening, you are the recipient and you are taking the whatever I am speaking, you are just listening and decoding it. So that is the oral and written in a written manner. Now it is personal attention is there. Quick and simple. It is the quickest thing. Orally you are speaking and it is the quickest. आपके मन में कोई विचार आया आपने फटाफट बोल दिया. It is the quickest thing. In emergency need written you have a proof of whatever you have speaking, whatever you want to tell others, whatever you want to communicate, you have a written proof of it. Easy understanding is there. Then confidential, it can be confidential. अगर आप सिर्फ मुझे बताना चाहते हो तो it is it is written on a sheet and you can give it to me. But if you are speaking and you don't want the others to listen, you cannot stop anybody's ears. So it is the written thing is more confidential. You can write it and just give it to me. But communicating, there is a little drawback in the little written thing. If you want to write and give it to 100 people, it will be difficult. But if you are speaking and 100 people can listen on one time. So it is a little easier thing. So oral and written. Same is the verbal and non-verbal. Verbal is speaking. बोल रहे हैं. Verbal, मुंह से बोल रहे हैं. And you are listening. And non-verbal is, it can be expressions, body expressions. It can be written. Means जो भी verbal नहीं है वो non-verbal. So basically these three types of communications are there. Now the different aspects of body language. Now it is a non-verbal type of communication. They are facial expressions. आपके facial expression से कई चीज पता चल जाती है. आप गुस्से में हैं, आप बहुत खुश हैं, आपके facial expression से पता चल जाता है. Your posture. मारने आ रहे हैं, slap. This is a posture. This is a posture of body language. Body movements. आपके body movements से आपकी बात समझ में आ जाती है. Gestures. Eye contact. आपको कोई डांट रहा है, आप नीचे देख रहे हैं. You are seeing down. That means you are feeling shy. Hand movements. Use of space. Attire. Your body. Your clothes you are wearing, that also expresses. So if you are wearing a salwar kameez, the people can understand that you are from Punjab. South Indian sari wearing a lady is, the people can understand that the lady is from south of India. So the attire also can speak and express the feelings. And basically these things are there in this communication chapter. Now I have explained you from the three types of communication, and we will be doing it in the rest of the chapter in the next video.